Australia is a land of diversity, from our dry, sun-drenched landscapes to our lush tropical rainforests, from our bustling cities to our sleepy coastal towns. Here, the power of Mother Nature is abundant. At 1KOMMA5, our mission is to harness this power and revolutionise the Australian energy market. We want you to take control and live on the power of sunlight and wind, forever, for free. That's why we've developed New Energy. New Energy provides the cleanest, cheapest electricity for your home. Backed by our German engineering and leveraging the global strength of 1K5, our Australian team of experts offer high-quality 1K5 products, installation and aftercare excellence, and the intelligence of Heartbeat AI. Heartbeat AI integrates your solar and battery storage by learning your home's electricity usage, analysing the weather and optimising access to the wholesale electricity market. Only from 1K5. So whether you're relaxing at home, at work or at play, you can rest assured that your 1K5 New Energy solution is working smarter for you. So take control and leave old energy behind with 1KOMMA5, Australia's heartbeat of new energy.